Hi guys, I've been asked to do a review on the Micomlan LED desk lamp with clamp, architect desk lamp for home office with atmosphere lighting, 24 watt ultra bright auto dimming desk light, stepless dimming and tempering LED table light. So we're going to show you how this works. If you look in the center, all of the controls are right there. Then you see, can you show the arms? It actually folds out. It goes up and down. So you can put the lights anywhere that you want to. Now, it's got, on the top you can fold those out. Alrighty, so we're going to show what the lighting looks like. So let's get, can we turn it this way just a little bit?
This way?
No, up.
Oh.
Okay. So now we're going to start with the lighting.
Oh.
That goes for the outside lighting, so if you only just want a little bit, you can turn on the outside. That one's the inside. Now we can also change colors.
I can't see that one.
And we can change the dimness.
I think I did that backwards.
Ooh.
That's the dimness.
The different colors.
I think that's the color, yeah.
And then look how bright that gets. Ooh.
Then you can do the office lighting.
Yes. Or the different color lighting. You can also turn off just the outside lights and just have the inside light in, or you can turn it off completely. There we go. Again, it's the Micomlan LED desk lamp, and I will leave a link below. Give it a look, see what you think.